Phil Caruso began attending Capital Christian School in the 5th grade, the first year the school opened in 1977, until he graduated in 1985. In high school, Phil served as student body president and participated in soccer, basketball, track, and tennis. His passion was football. During his senior year, the Cougars finished their season 7-1-1. Phil also excelled academically with a 3.9 GPA and achieving the CSF Lifetime Achievement Award. From the age of 5, Phil knew he wanted to be a physician. He graduated from California State University of Sacramento in 1989 with a degree in biology and a minor in chemistry. During college, Phil had the opportunity to volunteer in the UC Davis Medical Center emergency room. He assisted in minor procedures and patient care. This gave him his first taste of working in the exciting atmosphere of a busy hospital, and he loved it. In 1989, Phil was accepted to St. Louis University School of Medicine. During this time, Phil received honors from his professors in surgery, obstetrics, psychiatry, and pediatrics. He delivered at least 150 babies during medical school and graduated at the top third of his class. Phil met his wife Michelle at Capital Christian High School. They married in 1992, his final year of medical school. They were married at Capital Christian Center by Pastor Glenn Cole, their childhood pastor, who had baptized them both years before. After several interviews across the United States, Phil was accepted to UC Davis Medical Center for an internship in general surgery, where he routinely worked 120 hours or more per week. After completing the grueling internship in surgery, Phil recognized the life of a surgeon was going to be extremely difficult. It was at that point he decided to be an anesthesiologist and become board certified in 1998. After 23 years in practice, Phil loves that he's had such a wide range of experiences, with his youngest patient being 30 minutes old to the oldest, who was 107. His favorite days at the hospital include orthopedic cases and trauma surgeries. He continues to serve his community through volunteerism at Bayside, his church for the last 18 years. Phil plans to retire in 5 years and travel with his wife, Michelle, to countries in which he can volunteer his skills to work with teams doing humanitarian surgeries. He loves seeing the world, and one of his goals is to take his family to all 7 countries before his boys graduate high school. In his free time, Phil enjoys wakeboarding, snowboarding, and motocross riding with his teenage sons. Phil's grateful for his time at Capital Christian High School. It prepared him physically, academically, and spiritually for life. He feels very proud to be an alumnus of CCHS.